shouted, "Hunter, run away! Hunter, run away!" Welcome to my pretty world. Today I am going to narrate a story about true friends. Shall we start? Namaste. Respected judges, teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all present here. I am here to narrate a story about true friends. Once upon a time, there was a big, dense forest. In that forest lived 4 friends. They were the old turtle, a wise crow, a beautiful deer, and a cute little rat. Every day they used to sing, dance and play around the pond. One day, while they were playing, the deer spotted a hunter. Immediately it shouted, "Hunter, run away! Hunter, run away!" The deer sprinted into the bushes. The rat ran into a hole. The crow flew high in the sky. But the poor old turtle could not run or hide and was eventually caught by the hunter. The hunter took the turtle and put it in his sack and started to walk towards his home. All the animals were disappointed. The rat started to cry, "Turtle, my dear friend, turtle, my dear friend." The deer was also very upset. But the wise crow had prepared a plan for saving their best friend, turtle. As per the plan, the crow flew high in the sky and located the hunter. After locating the hunter, it informed the deer, and the deer quickly overtook the hunter in another route and laid as if it was dead on the path. When the hunter saw the deer, he could not even believe his eyes. He dropped his sack and started to walk towards the deer. At that time, the rat ran and came and bit the sack and freed the turtle. When the hunter was slowly approaching the deer quickly got upon his horse and started to run like Vande Bharat train. The crow left the place flying like Chandrayaan-3 in the sky. The rat ran faster than Usain Bolt, and the turtle made its escape like a submarine in the pond. The hunter was taken aback to see what had happened. When he saw that his sack was empty, the turtle had made its escape. He was sad and returned to his home empty-handed. Meanwhile, the 4 friends happily celebrated their victory against the hunter. The moral of the story is, unity is strength. Namaste and thank you. Hope you all like this video. If yes, press the like button and share it with all your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.